Zdravo, kako se ko šta ga je pat kada koneva muzičkата емисија Hard and Heavy. Се наоѓаме на местото за сторството, се наоѓаме на северот од Балканот, се наоѓаме во Словенија, во Томин на Metal Days. И покрај мене се новите соговорници кои ни доаѓаат од Шпанија и негуваат trash metal. Тука е бендот, значи Avenge. Your name?
Angelus Apatrida.
Yeah. Sorry. And tell me how you started.
Well, the band started like 17 years ago. We're one of the first Spanish thrash metal bands lately. And we're so fucking happy to be here in Metal Days in Slovenia, talking to you guys, Hard and Heavy from Macedonia. Awesome.
Why they take it the name, man? Why they take it to put this name, man?
Because it's the only name that sounds good.
No, come on, it sounds so bad.
Yeah. You have 5 albums. The last album in 2015.
Yeah.
Where the video recording?
The last 3 albums they are recorded in Portugal because our producer is Portuguese. He's the drummer from Anathema, actually, and he lives in Portugal. So it's close to Spain, so we just have to go to the neighbor, go there, knock on the door, enter the studio, and record some things there. Our third last albums was recorded there in Lisbon, in Portugal, with Daniel Cardoso, and we're so happy with that. And our last album was in 2015 in January, Hidden Evolution. It's called that album, and I think it's time to start working on new material already.
Yeah. Maybe it's the bit of new material. Or?
Yeah. We already have some new material, new riffs, and we're working on new material actually.
Be the same stuff, just like all 5 albums, thrash metal.
I don't know.
No? We'll see, yeah.
Let's see what it's first.
It's similar, but it's with new ideas, faster, slower too.
Yeah.
Sometimes slower, more melodic. There's a lot of melody as well.
We don't have any plan or any secret for do it. It's just trying to compose and make new sounds. And let's see in the future.
Yeah. Who writes the lyrics?
I normally write the lyrics.
And where I take the inspiration?
It depends, but normally I just have to turn on the TV or read the newspaper in Spain to know what's going on in the country and have something to write about, all the things that happened with the politics and social things in Spain. There are a lot of bad times there, so there are a lot of things to write about. But sometimes there is also good things, and for write on, I don't know, just the beer, having a good time with friends, with your girlfriend, with your family, whatever. So we just like to write about life, about our lives.
Yeah. Who you influence in music? You have a thrash metal?
Yeah, Slayer, Testament, all the great bands in thrash metal, but we have more influences, not only metal, rock, maybe pop, why not, blues. We try to listen and grow up like musicians, trying to listen another styles, not only thrash metal.
Your first time here in Metal Days?
In Metal Days, yes. We play a lot of times here in Slovenia. Every tour we do it in Europe, we always play in Slovenia, but it's our first time in this festival and it was amazing. We really had a good time here. Yeah. Hopefully it's not the last time. Hopefully, no.
This summer to be another festival you playing?
Yeah, we played 2 months, 2 weeks in Bang Your Head. Now we are going to a Spanish festival called Leyendas del Rock. Finish the summer, make another dates, trying to create a new album. Yeah, it's time to create a new album.
Yeah. Tell me, but what are you playing to be the mix of 5 albums, the concerts, the show today?
Yeah, well, it was a very short show. We only got 35 minutes, so we got 5 albums. So we tried to play I think the fastest things and the tightest things and all the stuff. So yeah, we play a mix of all the albums. But the first one, we didn't play any song from the first album. And I think it was okay. Actually, we decided the set list like 30 minutes before the show. We said, what we're gonna play? Okay, we can play this. Okay, let's do it. It was like, actually, and it was on time. We were not out of time, so it was okay.
Tell me, who is the plan in the future? Maybe have the DVD?
Yeah, we are working in a new live DVD, and try to do more dates because we have the 10th anniversary of our second album. Creating new ideas for new album. We are very busy.
Yeah.
There are a lot of things to come on the Angelus thing. So if someone wants to be on updates, just check out on Facebook, and we're always just putting things, and we got a lot of things to show in the next months.
And for the end, what would you like to say for Macedonian metal fans and people who are watching this interview?
Stay heavy, thrash.
Yeah. Actually, I think Macedonia is the only country over here that we never played there. Yeah, we play all around, but we've never been in Macedonia. I think it's time. Someone in Macedonia, please, hey, we want to play there. We want to play Macedonia. Angelus, thrash metal there. Come on.
Come on, promotion. If you like it, thrash.
Yeah.
This band, it's for Spanish. Kicking off ass. It's an amazing band. Trash forever.